In this video, we are going to show importing and exporting. First and foremost, whatever we plan on exporting, we have to make sure it is joined and going the correct direction. Once those criteria are met, then we can begin. These two little tabs up here are import, export. If you don't have those, it's file, import, export. So on this piece, we're going to export this. Just like in copy or move, if you have the little rectangle, it's asking you to highlight or select. We can either select directly on the piece to highlight it, or we can do a highlight box. Just left click anywhere, drag, and moving the mouse, highlight it, everything you want. Once you're done selecting, as always, press the green check mark. Now here it's asking where you're exporting to. Okay, there it goes. I want to export it to the thumb drive, which is this. You have to name it here. You have to give it a name. It will not copy the name from the file. This is if you want to 3 different slabs off the same drawing. You would say, Smith slab 1. Make sure enable polyline is checked. Export inches is checked. It's okay. Now we're going to open up a different drawing and bring this into it so you can see. So we're going to exit, file, open. This is just another example of that drawing I was doing. So now we want to import what we just did. In order to do that, go to import. We find our thumb drive, Smith slab 1, okay. If we are importing from something that has not been through Mars already, is 25.4. Normally, this is if it comes from LT, from the saw itself, from the internet, you must have this scale factor here. But since I've exported it out of Mars, I've exported it in the software already, I need to change the scale factor to 1 because it's already been converted to inches. The rest of it's just, it doesn't really matter. It's all, so import, never mind. I was way wrong on that. Keep the scale factor at 25.4. Okay, that's much better. We're going to move it so it's not in the middle. Move, left click, confirm. Okay. X when we're done. Okay, so I was wrong originally. Just keep it at 25 point. Keep your scale factor at. Keep this here. Keep this at 25.4. When I was at 1, it was this tiny little thing. So don't do that. Importing and exporting works for software to software, from Mars to the saw, from the saw to Mars, from the LT to Mars. It's transfers into DXF format, so it's universally read and understood, and that's what you'll use a lot on your finished products. And that's it.